Hi, I have seen many people are struggling with button click tracking. This is my website, and you can see I have different types of button. So I'll show you a simple solution that you can track button in an accurate way. Just follow what I do. First, come to the Google Tag Manager, and on the variable section, here you can see the click elements. Just enable. There are multiple options, but I'm going with the click class. You can try different way. Let's see. And after that, come to the ticker option and enable the all elements trigger. And the things is almost done. And after that, enabling variables, default variable and triggers. Just preview your website through Tag Manager. So we are on the 7th instance. So let's see, I'm clicking on this button. I'm clicking on it, and you can see a click event is fired. Let's see on the variable section and our click class. This is our click class, and you can see a class is appeared. Let's copy it, and on the trigger section we will rename this trigger. Here some click class equals, and just paste the trigger. So button click, let's see, button click, and just tag configuration. We are just away from tag configuration. Let's see, we are tracking the button click. Let's see this one, or button event. What we do, just change the trigger. Don't think that I am just explaining how my trigger is working. This is actually not a button. Okay, let's preview our website again. And hit the same button. So let's see. Oh, boom! You can see the button click is fired. So this is simple, and that's way you can track your button. So thank you.